So I got three of these, and I think this one actually works. I haven't come on to the other two, and it's funny because I got them like months ago. Freya, no, let's go. I'm just talking. There's nothing wrong. I got that months ago, and I just tried it now, and it works. The dog stopped barking. Yeah, so that was good. I'll try the other two tomorrow. Let's go. There's construction going on, and she hates the sound. She probably loves it though. I don't know, because she's always like attracted to it or curious about it. Here, because we have to try this on another dog. Turn. Good girl, mama. Straight. Thirsty? No? She's reactive because some people are passing by. And then once they've passed, she wants to go. Now, so we see her more. Let's go. Good girl. That's how we see her more. Like, we have to stop for everybody. Well, not everybody and not every time. It's because I was very, like, I'm holding her leash freely, so she's doing exactly what she wants. No, no, no. Let's go. We have to test this on the other dog. Why? Thirsty? Sit. No? Oh, it's still them. Now I have to force her to go because I don't like this habit. Now, go, go. Go, go, go. Birdie. Maybe that will get her to go. Go, go. Mm-mm-mm. I've learned to trust her when she says she doesn't want to go because, like, 8 out of 10, there's a stray dog. So I just don't always take it as though it's because somebody is passing. Like, I know she's definitely hearing something. It's happened so many times for me to ignore. So we'll see if the other dog barks and if this stuff will work as well. I don't know what it's called. The Freya doesn't seem to mind it, probably because it's me that's handling it. She's just curious about it. Oh, she's going to pull the leash now because birdies. Birdie, 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 birdie. Get down. Oh, the other dog is not here to bark, so I can't try it out. That's sad. Oh, that's probably why she's waiting for the dog to bark. Funny. Let's go. Go. No, it's okay. Straight. Go, 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 go. I should turn that into a song at this point. So I should probably let her like pick up leaves and things like that, but I don't live in a dog friendly community. So there's probably chemicals on the road to kill rodents, and those things are harmful to Freya. And sometimes, as soon as she sniffs on something, she starts to sneeze. I still don't know what that means. I don't know if she has allergies. That's somebody just minding their business. Now go, let's mind our own business. Okay, I could. There are dogs here. Let me try them on the dogs here. Imagine me looking for a dog to try my stuff on. These ones always back, and they always tie them outside, which is sad. But yeah, they are good for the experiments. She likes this trip because she can pick up a lot of rubbish. No. Now we are basically looking for trouble because like we're passing just to hear the dogs bark and test out my dog barking tool. I don't know what it's called. Go, go, go. She knows they're about to bark. So I don't know if this is her anxious pose. Freya, let's go. Or her you can do nothing pose. Back now. You're not there. Oh, there's one. Now back. Good. So, yeah. Go, go. Second. Go. It's not working. They're still backing. So they're still backing. It worked on the other dog. But they didn't back. They're not backing as aggressive as they usually do. So is that a sign that it's working? But they're still backing. So I don't know. Like their back is, I don't know, kind of. There's another. She's the biggest dog in the estate lives in this house. So she's ready. You see how she's moving. Boy. You see how she's moving? She's anticipating the big dog. I think for some weird reason, I feel like, come. I feel like I called out that one with this stuff because I wish I had, because we haven't seen it in months. Oh my god. So we haven't seen that one in months, but she's always acted that way. So maybe it was just ignoring us and it came out because of this stuff I was using and I turned it off. So yeah. But the fact that it came out, it probably means that this sound, it heard it and it was curious about it. It also did not bark, which is a sign because it usually does. I think it's a good dog. And Freya started their wahala because she is scared of it's a massive dog. I've forgotten the breed, but I'll look it up and add that in the description. Why are you stopping? What's up? She doesn't go back like this. Is anything here? There's something here, definitely. Now, up, go. We don't wait to find out. Go. We move. There's definitely something there. What it is? But I see dogs there sometimes, so yeah. Probably that. So you're taking us back. No wahala. Move. No wahala. So will I say the dog this dog barking stuff doesn't make them stop barking, or it makes them bark less and it draws them out? I don't know if I want that. I don't know. Straight. She's actually taking us back, like we're supposed to be closer to home now, but she decided to take the longer route. Did you hear that? Straight. Go. Once you start sniffing and I don't like make a noise, we will sleep on that spot. So I just do it so she knows like time is rolling. She has her designated sniffing spots at the end of the walk, so it's not like I don't let her sniff. I just don't want her to sniff on. For example, what's this? I don't know what this is, and they're everywhere. Like, what is the white liquid that is everywhere? To me, I feel like it's chemical. See another one. So I have to be very careful. Like, I don't know what these things are, and I see them like fresh ones every day. See them here. I don't think it's stones, because sometimes they look like liquid. Birdie? Good girl. Verity, it's gone. Just go, please. I'm tired. Come, let's go. Thank God. Come. You see, and then that leaf has a white stuff on it. Oh yeah, let's try it on those ones. The most annoying set of dogs where we live. Like, literally annoying. And there's even a Rottweiler, I think. If you follow dog news, did you hear about the Russian woman that used her body to protect her 8-year-old? And the Rottweiler was just growling behind, and I saw blood on the floor. So I don't know if the blood was hers or her 8-year-old son. Like that's just sad. But then again, there are people making the video from the car, and a man with a rake who did not do much. And then I made the mistake of following the like the what's it called? You know on TikTok where you see a video and then you click on something and you see related videos. So that's probably what made me finally bring out this stuff because of all what I saw last night. Freya, we're not taking there, you know. Straight? No? Turn. Straight. Go. Cross my hand, she knows something is up with the way I'm holding her. She's trying to go wherever she wants to, which I do not let her. Because this estate is not friendly. If she goes off the leash, then I'll have to pay a fine. Or they may even kill her because they kill dogs here. So, in case you're wondering why I'm being so strict. Straight? Oh yeah, those are the dogs. Did you hear the back? Go. Oh, Freya is also reacting to this stuff. It's not working when I want it to. Go. Good morning. Straight. Don't know what's up with Freya, right? Okay, it's the way I'm holding her. She knows it's loose. Let me try and come here, go. Now she's wondering why it was so free. Go. Okay, back to holding her properly. I've also noticed that she doesn't like headlights, like car headlights, and there's a car in front that had the headlights on. That's probably why she was not moving forward just now. Straight. 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 I kind of like the fact that we're walking past a place that has like lots of people because I want her to be as exposed as possible. So let's see how she's reacting to. Sorry. Yeah. You have to go. I kicked her, so she's complaining. See how she's reacting to people. Like I really want to say this every morning. To be honest. It's a car horn. What? you see how she's like, she's just listening to somebody, a random ass person talking. This is what I deal with. But I usually don't let her do this. I'm just letting her today for the sake of the video. Like, let me see when she'll get tired and want to move. Car, Priya, car, Priya, car. Okay, so she's cutting up now. I know what exactly. So there are two things. A car that has just gone and then these two people. Can we go now? Let's go. Mm-mm-mm. Straight. And I know I shouldn't like let her do that, but I will try not to be too strict about stopping it. Go up. Now we actually have to move. And what she just did is very risky for both of us because I make her harness very loose. So if she goes back, she can get out of it. I do that on purpose anyways, just so she'll be free. But then I always know to let her move against it in a way. Mm-mm-mm. Go. There are people in front, but I'm going to make her very uncomfortable. We'll walk like directly in front of them. In short, that's one way. I want her to get used to the fact that that's normal, and then the people would leave, like give her space, which they're doing now. Go. Mm-mm. Straight, just like that. So I'm going to do that more often. Go, go, go. Straight, maintain your spot. She'll get used to it this way, probably. Straight, good girl, mama. You see, just like that. So yeah, it means I have like 95% of what? How should I put it? Like how I handle her at that time determines how she'll behave 95% of the time. So now I know that. Straight. Mm. Now I'm going to give her a little bit of freedom as we're approaching the next set of people and see what she does. Straight. Mm-mm-mm. Little bit of freedom. Go. That went well. So I don't know. She has no issue with people coming from her fronts, but it's a different story when they are behind her. And now there's literally nobody behind us, so I'm going to scratch those two trials or those two tests because they don't matter. I forgot that it happens when the people are coming from behind. So yeah, no improvements, no results of any study of any study because the sample was not valid. The sample size or the sample ish, whatever. Now this is her sniffing spot. This is where she can sniff away. Sniff away, mama. Sniff, sniff. Because here it's like the road is narrow, so I can tell when a car is coming and whatever. And then when they're coming, they speed. Oh, now see something. The white stuff is just literally everywhere here. So sorry, fear. Just sniff, sniff today. And now I'm 100% certain that these are chemicals. Like, see, everywhere. just everywhere here. This spot where she sleeps. Precisely. Go. Like it was not. Stop. I don't blame her. The bus sounds really annoying. So even me myself, I'll just wait for it to pass because I don't like the sound of buses. Come straight. Mm-mm-mm. Do you want to go more? Okay, that's all. Because the sun has just gone down, like unexpectedly. So we'll walk a little bit more. Now, do you see why I have to control her sniffs? Because tell me why there were white liquids all over her sniffing spots. Hmm. And something else is that same spot, there are things that fall off the tree, and so there are a lot of flies. So I feel like people are doing that to control, like chemical to control. Let's go. Are you done? All done? No? Home? That's weird. Oh, she wants to go back to the sniffing spot, but we can't go there. Come, no, let's walk a bit. Thirsty? Thirsty? Okay, yeah. She said yes in her own way. Now, how am I going to do this? What? No, let's leave the road first. Come, sit. Sit, Mama. If you're thirsty, sit. Good girl. No? Oh, she's distracted by something. I know why. So, there are dogs that live in this house or used to. I've not seen them in a while, and this is their pooping and peeing spot. So, she can smell like years and years of poop and pee, which I cannot smell. Straight. Mm-mm-mm. I'm actually tired. I like this part of our walk because we just passed like under very big trees. It's very cool. Thirsty, Mama? No, she's not. If I could, I'd drink her water, but it's in her bottle. Ah, you're licking your lips. Are you thirsty or not? I don't know. Or is it the rubbish you're licking? You want to go there? Thirsty, Mama? Come. So I was speaking with her vet recently, and we're talking about her size. American Eskimos have three sizes basically, like small, medium, and maxi. And I know that's not what it's called, but that's the whole idea. And Freya, I'll make a video, a special video talking about how I got her. Yeah, so I've never seen her parents. I don't know how much she'll grow, but to be honest, her size is perfect for me because I pick her up a lot. Like when I have to, when she doesn't want to walk and I'm in a hurry, I just pick her up. And I happen to be, I was on the list to adopt another dog, another American Eskimo. But the issue is the vet did not have any history of her in terms of like they did not know how big her parents were, so they were not able to tell me, or they chose not to tell me how, like what size they expect that dog to be. A very cute dog, female too. And there was also the question of whether Freya would accept her well. I wanted like a test, like they did not even want to give me the chance to see the dog, then decide whether or not I want the dog. They wanted me to just like go there and pick it up, like if they accepted the application. In short, they did accept the application. They wanted me to just go there and pick it up, but me, that seemed like a red flag to me. I don't know if that's how it's done where I live, but what I know is you go to the shelter or wherever and then you look at dogs, like you have the choice. Because the dog, to me, the dog has to accept you too. And you can tell when the dog accepts you. So I asked them if I could come with Freya. And they're like, if I was going to pick her up. You know, this birdie, let's chase the birds first. Come on. They've gone. They've literally gone. Why did you come back down? Go. Birdie. Oh my god. What was I saying? I'm so thirsty, like my lips are dry. Everything is dry. And Freya must be thirsty too. Oh, ciao. Let's go. What was I saying? Yeah. So I was going to say that the intention of these videos are not for me to talk, because if I was going to focus on that, I'd probably have worked on the audio quality by now. It's always basically me just walking. I'm like, oh, let me just take a video. Yeah. I'd even speak up more like this, but I'm not like, maybe I'll think about it like if I really want to be talking so you can hear me properly. But I just know that there are people that love watching dogs like me. I watch a lot of dog videos, mostly because of Freya, by the way. So we'd like sit and watch together. Just watch a dog like doing their day, like doing their going about their day, or not about their day, like maybe having fun, and then there's music in the background or something. Yeah, that's what I intended. But now I'm talking, because I do talk a lot sometimes. So maybe I don't know, maybe I'll just like get something for good audio quality or use my other phone. Like this is my work phone, so yeah, explains the video quality as well. Ooh. The sun is out, which I don't like her walking under the sun, because I know she would definitely get really thirsty and it's not good for her, basically. But we came out a bit late because Mama was so sleepy. Mama being me, of course. Yeah, I call her Mama sometimes. Yeah, we'll probably return to our usual 7 to 8 schedule tomorrow. 7 to 8 a.m. Now Freya will not have the time to. There's something in this house. No, I'm not going to give her the time to play around because I want to go home. And we have walked like straight further from home, so we're just going to walk straight home. She would not have the opportunity to sniff or whatever, and I'm too tired to pick her up today. So yeah, go 1 2 1 2 1 2. As serious as I am, I'm sure I just made her feel the opposite, like, oh, it's playtime. It's playtime. No, it's work time. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Shit, it's so hot. It's gotten really sunny. crazy dogs again. I don't have energy to bring out this stuff to press. They're about to back, probably. No, hump. Hump. Do you know you have 30 minutes? Straight. No, you don't have 30 minutes. You have 2 minutes because I'm so thirsty. Straight. Oh, a car was coming. Straight. Hey, go. No. Straight. Go, go, go. Straight. Hey, go. I was trying to get under the shade as much as possible and she was refusing to move in this direction. Oh god, it's so hot. And it's funny that I'll carry her water and keep her hydrated and forget that I have to drink water too. Yeah, I just need to get a bag. Before I got her, I'd carry like a bottle for myself, but since getting her, like this car should just pass a bit. Straight. Freya? No? I'm actually the one that needs a break right now, no her. So I'm stopping for myself, not for her. Okay? I'm stopping for myself because I need a break. Freya? No? Go. This is her punishment pose. I pull her up with the leash and she can't like misbehave. And when I know she's back in her good behavior, I leave her and then we continue our day. Yeah, that's when she knows I mean business. Oh, it's so hot, it's so sunny, it's so hot. Shit. I'm going to get sunburned today. Straight. You know, I'd also try to see if this stuff works on Freya. Like if when she's not being naughty, because she's just being a dog. When she's slow, I'd press it and see if she moves. Yeah, see if that works that way. Because I know it's like a corrective for backing and probably other unwanted behaviors. Straight. Car. Good girl, Mama. Straight. She's well behaved. She's well behaved right now. She looks very focused when she's like this. She's walking towards something. I haven't seen anything yet, but there's something like drawing her attention. Whenever she's focused like this, she's on alert actually. It may be the people passing, but that's rare. But she's on alert right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's this car. I don't know. Go. Oh yeah, it's the car. I think. Oh, because she wants to go to her sniffing spot, but no, they're chemicals. Now, no, I know, but you're not going. It's on purpose. No, straight. Remember, I saw those like white liquids everywhere. There. God, this sun is worse here. Freya, we have to go home. Do you need me to carry you? No, we didn't walk so long today. What's the time? This is just. I've been recording for 36 minutes. Oh, we've probably walked like 50 minutes. And she usually walks for an hour with no sun. Oops, sorry. I'm coming. I know you can see nothing. Home? We're almost home, okay? You have water actually, so what am I even worried about you? Thirsty? Thirsty? Yeah, you are. How do I drop my phone? Sorry, I have to put you guys on the floor for a bit. Nope. If it stops recording, Freya stopped it. Thirsty? Mama? Yeah, she's thirsty. No, no, this one. Yeah, thirsty. She's thirsty. Okay. Now someone is hydrated, but the other is still thirsty. How do I lock this? Priya, wait. Sorry again, I have to put you guys on the ground again. No. Okay. Now, another thing I have to be very careful about is broken bottles. Just tell me why, like, this is always on my street. I can see it, but I can't see it through the camera, so I hope you all can see it. Like, the animals, because they're not humans, the animals that just decide, oh, let's break a bottle here and here and here. Like, it's crazy. That's probably why human beings are higher animals, because we're still animals. Yeah, just sometimes some people stay in their lower form. You see how she's very reactive as we're passing this house? I may or may not insert a clip. But for over 6 months, 6 to 7, how old is Freya? Yeah, 6 to 7 months, or let's just say 5 months, there were like four crazy dogs in this house that would literally jump out of their closed gates and sometimes chase her before I pick up a stone. Anyways, she probably has PTSD from that house. Yeah. I had to like make the whole issue legal before it died down. I don't know if it's temporary, but for now, we've not had the issue because the dogs are not there anymore. No, it's a leaf, like she's basically chasing a plant because she thinks it's alive. It's not even alive. It's not even alive. It's not even alive. Can we go? She thought it was alive because like breeze was blowing it away and she was going to chase it. No, 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 no. I don't know if you have allergies to these things or if they are poisonous for you. No, because I'm not a plant person. Straight, straight. There's somebody cutting the grass, which is why we had that situation. Straight. I'm so thirsty, Mama. Freya, Freya, Mama's thirsty. You've drank water. I did not drink water. I don't care. I'm sure she thinks I'm asking her if she's thirsty, and she's like, "Duh, you just gave me water to drink." You guys probably cannot hear anything because it's so noisy. Okay, all done. Freya, say bye. Freya, let me first want to say bye. Say bye. No, she doesn't want to look straight into the phone. Say bye. Say bye. Stop. Bye, guys.